Welcome everyone, it's Daniela again, and I'm happy to show you my very first layout created with the April kit. And I also used the color kit this time, and I want to show you how I limited my supplies because this is my very first layout with the kit. So first of all, I picked two papers, so you see that these match perfectly, and then I also wanted to work with those chipboard die cuts, and we have a lot of circle elements in this package, and also some phrases, hearts, and other bits and pieces. Yeah, and this is how I started my page. First of all, I have decided to use a rather neutral paper for backing my picture. And then I also cut a piece from this pretty pink paper. I like this one a lot. And I think that the pink in combination with this blue backside match my picture perfectly. So this is what I want to use here on my page. And you see that I cut some fringes here in the paper stripe, and I want to put it behind the picture then, so that I have all in all a cluster of 3 different papers plus the picture. So you see that this is the back side of the pink paper, and I think that these look so good together. So I will definitely use these on more pages as well. Okay, so this is taken from the chipboard die cuts. And now I want to play with some of the circles, and I just spread them here behind the picture. And then I can add some of those pretty chipboard hearts. I really like the colors. We have vibrant yellow and orange, and we have pink and blue details. And even though there are no yellow details in my picture, I want to use the yellow as a little eye catcher, and it builds a nice contrast to the pink and blue elements. Okay, now I want to apply some color. I just mixed up Lindy's powder with water and apply it to my cardstock, and I just want to have a little bit of mixed media here peeking through. So I just apply the color here on the lower side of my cardstock. I also want to have some spots of blue and some yellow as well. So you see that I just add tiny bits here. The main color is pink, but this makes a nice mixed media background. If you just add another color, we have like a watercolor effect, and that's always kind of pretty. Right, so I also add some color splashes, and now it's time to mix some yellow. And the powders are so easy to work with because you can decide how intense you want the color to be. If you add more water, you have a light version of the pretty colors, or if you just add a little bit of water, you get an intense result. All right, so you see that now we only have a little bit of the mixed media element peeking through because I put the cluster here on top of it, and now I can add a few more embellishments. So I want to use some of the puffy stickers. I really like the fact that we have puffy stickers in all of our kits because you can use them for cute details, and they add a lot of dimension, and they are kind of a nice addition to paper elements because they look differently. And now I also want to add a few of the cardstock stickers, and then I also want to have one of those stickers for my date, which I have to look up, to be honest, so I won't write it down now. But I add the journaling here, and then I think that I can just add one paper here to back my cardstock, and I think that's what fits the layout the best. I don't want to have a big frame this time, but just on two edges, and this is what my layout turned out like in the end. I'll show you in a second. I just add two more tiny stickers here, one little circle, another yellow piece, because I felt that I was missing some yellow here. So this is the final touch, just some of the dots, and then I can show you the end result now. Well, I hope you like my way of using the chipboard pieces and the papers, and if you have any questions, just ask and I'll be happy to answer in the comments, and hope to see you soon. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.